so now that we're back in the garage, if you guys remember previously, I sanded down this whole fender and it was coated with just like crap paint. And then when you sand it down, it's just basically half the fender was metal. So just to be safe, I got some of this. This is Rust-Oleum Clean Metal Primer, okay, Home Depot. I did a couple coats in the spots that were a lot of bare metal, and of course I'm terrible at painting, so I had some runs and stuff like that. And then what I did was I sanded it down again after it all dried. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little more prepping and possibly tape this off, and then I'm gonna sand this weather strip with maybe some heavier grit sandpaper. And then I'm gonna get all these little crusties off of here and hit it with the spray. So let's see if I can find the spray. This is basically truck bed liner. I'm gonna try to hit that on the weather stripping first before I get ready to wrap. So I'll do that off camera, and then we'll start wrapping. So this whole side has been sanded down and primered and ready to be wrapped. I went ahead and wrapped kind of the hardest part first, that's on the side, which is the Bombex side skirt that I have. So let's go have a look at that real quick. Okay, so this material is very nice, the same one that I did the 350Z in. And look at that glossy red, awesome finish right there. So that's gonna be really red. But here you got, this is all done in one piece. This side skirt is a lot simpler than the last one I did, or well, this material is also not chrome, so it bends a lot more. Here I just made a little hole, like right about there in the wrap, and then I just started working my way around the edges like that. So back here, I definitely need a bigger garage. Back here you can see it's all nice and wrapped all the way around in there and all under. So, oh, okay, here we go. Now the benefit of having a red car and doing a red wrap is this. Look at that. When you open up the door jambs, everything is still red. So this is not a color that you can get normally in paint, but because the car is red, it will match the engine bay when I decide to do that, and everything when I open up the hood and stuff like that. So, all right, so now let's get rid of all of this whiteness. We're gonna make this whole side. The rest of this is real simple. Here, you just stretch it across, but it only goes down to here, so you're not using that much material. This piece you do as a separate piece. The door bottom part, you use a separate piece. This you do separate, and then it's a lot of like separate little pieces, so it's relatively easy, just takes a long time. And then here, piece of knifeless tape along this line right here and connect it to that. So this molding's a little old, so I think I'm gonna just wrap over the molding. Thinking about doing the top gloss black. What do you guys think? We'll see. Tell me in the comments if I should do the top gloss black, because I'm gonna release the video on this whole side once I'm done. Back here is real simple. Because it's not chrome, you can just whoop, pull it real hard down around that corner and you're all set. Okay, so let's do all that tonight. at that view right there. That view is going to be even more amazing once this bad boy is all done here. So let's have a look at the fleet and what I've done so far. So I still got this fin in the back here, but here is the handiwork. So the bottom, this is not done. The roof part is not done, but this whole side is pretty much done in that gloss aluminum red. Look how freaking gorgeous that looks. Holy cow. So this part looks a little funny on camera, but let's get closer. Ooh, doctor, look at that. So this color really nicely accentuates all the curves and all the bends and stuff like that. Just how glossy red that is. I think this is gonna be the new favorite. Ooh, ooh, look at that color shift. Dang. I love how red this red is. Ooh. Now, I'm still debating whether or not I should do the roof black, but I don't know. This red looks so nice. I think I'm just gonna go with a full red and then just do black mirrors or carbon fiber mirrors. We'll see. We'll see. So this whole side over here, this is what it used to look like. I have this piece mocked up. So that's gonna be wrapped next. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna work on the rest of this. The yard is pretty messy, so I'm holding off on doing that truck until that kind of dries up a little bit and I can actually step there and move the truck without, you know, like creating big divots in my yard. Over here we got the two girls all done, and another look at the GT's very nice FRS splitter. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. I think I might do something similar to that over here too. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this super bright red color. It's gonna turn out amazing. I'm gonna do that bottom in red too. So stay tuned to the next episode where I can do the other side and possibly the front and the back bumper. So we'll see what I get going on here, but I'll see you guys next time.